Okay, good morning, everybody. My name is Alexander, and today is the 10th of June 2021, and this is my catch-up series. A recap from last week, the market was around here. We were expecting a bearish push for a lower low. What we got was a break of this level I said we were looking at before we took a sell. We saw that push back into the 23% level. We thought we could get a lower high for a continuation down, but what we got was a break of that level and a break in structure. So now this Fibonacci looks like it's done, and a new Fibonacci can be drawn when we find a resistance. And we have a potential where the market potentially can run back into. One is this level, two is this level here that got taken out. So if we see the market come back here, we are buyers, but for now it's too overstretched. You can't take anything. You can't take a buy or sell. All you have to do is wait for the market. For 25, the market was here. It gave some type of push where I said if we went to that lower time frame, we could, the market was around here that morning. And I said, if we see a reason on lower time frame, we could take the buy. We saw the market push up, but now it broke this level here. It broke this level 1, 2. We saw that retest and back to the bearish side. And we can see that this low here is holding, and structure-wise, some point has been broken structure-wise. We've seen a break, retest, and push. So potentially this market might start pushing back higher on volatility index 25. And on my Twitter yesterday, I asked for pairs to analyze. Someone said boom, boom and crash. I think so. Let me look at it again one more time. Okay, crash 500 and 1000. I've not done I've not checked them before, but let's check them and see. If you understand price action, if you understand market structure, everything, you can analyze any chart. So let's go. So potentially, we might see this market run down to this level. Why did I say so? One, structure got taken out here. Structure has been taken out here. Here also. Where else? Here also. So we got higher low, higher high. So if you had drawn your fib from here to here, it got to PRZ level, back up. So here becomes the most recent structure where you're looking out for. Here becomes minor structure point that has been broken, retested, and looks like it's pushing. So I haven't even analyzed, and I've already seen where it's going potentially. So we might just see, so structure, break 1, 2, retest, and we might just see this market run back down here, and maybe down here. That's crash 500. Let's see the crash 1000. Same thing. Let's see if it opens. All right. Crash 100. We can see bearish. So draw your fib, understand fib from this time frame. Draw your fib PRZ. It went back down to the 23. We can see that potentially it wants to break. It has broken this level. So we might just see a good retracement down before a continuation to the upside, or it will be stuck in a consolidation. So for now, we're looking to the bull side, some sort of higher low. We want to see some sort of higher low before we make any decision. Higher low, bullish engulfing, or bullish variation. Then we bounce. For the forex side, the market was around here that morning, where I said we were expecting the market to run into this level, or if we saw a bearish candle around here, we could take it. So you could see where the market went to. We are still stuck in a consolidation, and you can see if you go on lower time frame, structure wise, we've been seeing lower highs and lower lows. So if you know how to trade structure, you know where you are looking out for before you take anything. Before you take a buy, here has to be broken. The most recent lower high has to be broken because it's stuck in a consolidation, but structure is still holding sway. Structure, even on lower time frames. So this looks like selling. This looks like selling if we see a very good bearish variation. If we see a good bearish variation, we might see the market go down a little bit. But the only way we become buyers is if there is a break in structure on USD CHF, then potentially we might see the market rally. For AUD USD, the market was here and we were expecting this whole level to get broken. We see that bearish push, but the level still did not break. Look at it, bearish, bullish, doji, bullish. So this whole level did not get broken. So we are still stuck in a consolidation, and that is why we could see the bullish move. Now, what we got another time is a bearish engulfing, but we are still stuck in a consolidation. So potentially we might just be seeing some sort of head and shoulder, one shoulder, head, another shoulder. So we might just see this market push back up. Since it's stuck on this monthly level, you can see it's on a monthly level, and we might just see this market push higher. Might just see it push to the side first, then maybe push higher. If you go on the daily time frame, you see more reasons on why you want to take a certain trade. So it's been stuck in a consolidation, so it might just drop. The only way we want to see a drop is if we see a bearish variation or a bearish engulfing. For us to be buyers, we have to confirm the buyers. We have to see a break of this level on lower time frame or on this time frame. Then we can push the market higher. EUR USD, same thing. The market was here. We saw the push down. We saw the retracement. Now we see that bearish engulfing. But for EUR USD, I'm on the bear side. That does not mean I might be correct. For EUR USD, I'm on the bear side. Why? Structure got broken. Bearish. This, I don't take this as a bullish candle. I take it as a doji. Then we have a bearish and another bearish candle, a bearish doji. So bearish, bearish. We see that push back into the fray and has been in consolidation since. So this was the most recent lower high that had to be taken out. Then we had another higher low, sorry, that looks like it wants to be taken out. So what I'm expecting is to see a reason for me to sell. But since this whole level is still holding, since this whole level is still holding, we might just see the bull side of the market back to the upside. But if I see a reason to sell, I will be selling back down to this level or back down into this consolidation area, which is this level here. So I might just sell back to this level, or I'll just be a buyer back to the upside. I'll only be buyer when I see certain confirmations on lower time frame, like a break of this level here on lower time frame. So that's all for my catch-up series. I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. We need more people to be exposed to these weekly sessions that we post. So I would want you guys to share, give your friends, tell them to subscribe, tell them to comment, tell them to engage our social media also. And if they have a question, they can drop it on this video, or they can send me a message on my social media, IG, Instagram, and Twitter at King ALXNDA, or message Yusha on Twitter and Instagram at Yusha Mindset, or send a message to the Traders Hub Instagram or Twitter, which is at Traders Hub NG. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.